not a game.
Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing carrot oil. Yes, carrot oil. What is carrot oil? Carrot oil is made by infusing carrots into another oil. Carrot oil moisturizes the skin, leaving you with a healthier skin. The antioxidants of carrot oil heals damaged skin and stimulates cell regeneration, giving you a brighter and more radiant skin. The antibacterial properties of carrot oil helps fight acne. So let's jump into the process of making these very beneficial oil. First, we need carrots, 2 to 3 carrots. We are going to need a carrier oil to infuse the carrot into. In this case, I'm going to use sunflower oil. You can go for any other oil which you deem fit. We are also going to need a grater, and I like adding some drops, about 2 to 3 drops of vitamin E oil to my oils. I'm going to wash my carrots, then I'm going to peel off the skin and I'm going to grate the carrots. You can use carrot oil as a serum, or you can mix it with your cream. It's so good. It will leave your skin bright. You have a glowy skin, and it's going to really moisturize your skin. It's going to make your skin bright and glowy. After grating the carrots, I'm going to place the carrots in the oven. You can sun dry it, but I'm going to place mine in the oven and on a very low heat so that it gets dry. And just checked my carrots and they are dry. Make sure it is well dried. So I'm going to place my carrots in a sterilized jar and then add in my carrier oil into the jar till it fills the carrots. And then I'm going to shake it, mix it. I'm going to mix it with a spoon and I'm going to shake it. And I'll close the lid and keep it for some days. I'm going to place it in a cool, dark place, not where there's light, in a cool, dark place. You can keep it for 2 weeks if you like, but mine lasted 5 days. Okay, so we'll take a strainer, sieve. I'm going to sieve out the chaffs from the oil. You can either use a wick cap or a cheesecloth or a strainer like this one. Advise you not to use coconut oil if you want to apply this carrot oil on your face. Why is this? Coconut oil is highly comedogenic. What does that mean? It means it can clog the pores, leading to breakout. So guys, please I advise you not to use coconut oil. If you're oily skin or acne prone, I'll advise you to use argan oil or jojoba oil. It's more preferable. Please don't go for coconut oil because it can clog your pores and will lead to breakouts on your face. And here we have it. My carrot oil is ready for use. I'm just going to take the oil and I'm just going to pour in the oil into a sterilized bottle. As you can see, I'm going to put it in a sterilized bottle and store it in a cool, dry place. And please, I'll recommend that when doing this carrot oil, you should go for organic oil and organic carrots because these are free of chemicals. Okay, so guys, before applying this carrot oil on your skin, I'll advise you to first of all damp your skin a little bit with water before applying the oil for you to get the maximum benefit of this oil. Damp your skin with water for it to be a little bit moisturized before applying the oil. Don't just take it and put it on dry skin. It's not going to work. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and please, if you watch this till the end, that means you enjoyed the video. Please, can you do me a favor and just hit the like button, and please do share this video, and please also subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. It's gonna help me a whole lot. Thank you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.